You were fronted, you never really wanted me. When I asked you if you wanted to be more than friends, you went on.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm pretty excited to bring you guys tomorrow with me for the ONELESS Festival that's happening in Sunway Nexus, and this event is being hosted by the Olive Tree Company. I know how much you guys enjoy going along with me for all of my content work, and I'm pretty excited to bring you guys for this one because this is gonna be a rather unique experience for even me, because I've never experienced a campaign or an event that is fully based on sustainability. So it's pretty interesting because I love this lifestyle, and I think it's good to adapt into a new lifestyle change. So the entire concept of this event is bring your own stuff, so which means you bring your own cutleries, your mug, bottles, paper bag, shopper bag. Paper bag is a thing. No, just bring your shopper bags, you guys. So there is a couple of stuff to do before we go. I want to get a good skincare, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my mask on, and we have to pack the stuff for tomorrow. I have everything laid out on the bed, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm bringing along. So this is the stuff that I'm bringing over for tomorrow, you guys. I have my water bottle, and this is the water bottle bag. I'm going to fit my cutleries into this bag as well, so they will not be like all over the place. I actually misplaced the cutlery bag, so I'm just going to fit this all inside this bag. There is 2 Tupperware here, and I'm bringing a large one in case I want to buy any food. This is going to be here, so savory food is going to go here, and this will be for the sweet meal. Let's just say if there is like ice cream or whatsoever, this is going to be like the sweet Tupperware. And to fit all of this in, I have my big shopper bag, and I kid you not, guys, this shopper bag is so huge that I can fit like 2 or 3 rabbits inside. This is really handy. I got this from Uniqlo when I bought some of my clothes, and this is one of the best. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to wear. This is going to be like an olive green. I want to be more casual for tomorrow, so this is an olive green trousers, and this is a linen dress. I have to like go and iron all of them now because I don't want it to be so crumpled looking, but once I wear it, it's gonna be quite chic and fun. So this is going to be my outfit of the day. A quick overview about the Olive Tree Company. I'm going to pull up their website and just put it here on the vlog so you guys can see who they are. So the Olive Tree Company is based on body and skincare products, and they are derived from all natural ingredients, you guys. Most of their products are made in Australia, and the Olive Tree are strictly against animal testing. So their products does not contain palm oil, parabens, petroleum, synthetic, and any kind of harmful chemical and preservatives. So I'm going to get my skincare done. I love prepping my skin before I go for any of my events. So we are going to put on a mask and then go ahead and pack the stuff that's needed. I need to go to the florist and do my usual weekly flower routine because my flower is almost dying, you guys, so it's time to like buy fresh ones. So yes, so tomorrow morning I will be rushing, so I'm just going to bring you guys through with me like the journey event, and I'm going to see you guys at Sunway Nexus. Hey guys, so I've arrived at Sunway Nexus, and I'm just gonna go upstairs for the ONELESS Festival. I'm here with Vichu as always. Hi Vichu! Hi! So where's our shopper bag? There you go. So we were not kidding when we said we're gonna get our shopper bag, you guys. So we're gonna go upstairs and see what is it all about. So let's go up and see you soon.
for 2,500 that we can use, we can recycle, like chips, plastic, like Milo, crackers, and KFC plastic.
Alright, thank you.
So you can put it over there.
Guys, so I am done in this place and it is such a lovely event, you guys. They have so many vendors, a lot of things to buy and purchase, and it's so affordable at the same time. So bring along your shopping bag. As you guys can see, the crowd is amazing, the turnover is amazing, and I'm not even sure if you guys can hear me, but I'm going to list all of the information in the info box, so do check them out. I just saw there is a vegetable, there's a vegetable stall right there, and maybe I'm going to take a couple of pictures of the vegetable for the gram. And yeah, I gotta go and get my name or any kind of design done on my bottle, and then we will be heading back. So I'm going to see you guys later. Hey guys, so I finally sat in the car, and I have to tell you, this event was so fruitful, like literally fruitful, you guys. This is the Olive Tree's first plastic free event, and I think it's a massive success because I see many people were bringing their own Tupperwares, bottles, shop bag, grocery bag, and all of that stuff. And you guys wouldn't believe it, like the things, most of the things that I experienced there is all plant-based. And if you guys notice, in one of the clips I was drinking my coffee, and that coffee is a combination of biscuit. It was an oat biscuit together with coffee inside of it. It's more like you can actually drink your coffee and eat your cup kind of concept. It was so delicious, you guys. It was so delicious, I have to say. I also received a couple of doggies from the Olive Tree. So I'm going to so you guys, I am going to show you what I purchased and also what I received from the Olive Tree. And I just want to say a massive thank you to Olive Tree. I'm so honored to be part of this beautiful event, and I wish you guys all the best. And the event is up to 6 o'clock, so go check them out at Sunway Nexus. The moment you enter in, guys, it's just on ground floor and you cannot miss this spot. So go ahead, check out this space, and I want to say thank you once again